Success is when your signature changes to autograph. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Unless India stands up to the world, no one will respect us. In this world, fear has no place, only strength respects strength. It is very, look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transforms into thoughts and thoughts results in action. Thinking is the capital, and enterprise is a way, and our work is a solution.